pupils, parents, and guardians, let me start by thanking you for being a part of all our remote learning platforms, particularly our television program, The Classroom in Your Home. Each feedback has been awesome. Good job, you. Our teachers have been working assiduously to bridge the learning loss during this critical period. Therefore, I am pleased to inform you that the Classroom in Your Home has been extended to accommodate the lower primary classes and a dedicated lesson to cater for our special needs pupils in line with our mandate of providing an all-inclusive and quality basic education in our dear state. Please encourage your wards to tune in and take every advantage of this laudable program. Also remember, this pandemic is not over. Let us continue to abide by all health and safety guidelines as stipulated by the government. At LASUBEB, we are determined to leave no child behind in our quest to improve the standard of basic education in our state. Thank you.
Hey, W-E-S-O-M-E, you are awesome, awesome, totally. For the best reasons, we know and we believe in awesome pupils like you. And so this program tagged The Classroom in Your Home has been specially designed for you. This program has been fully sponsored by Universal Basic Education Commission, UBEC, packaged by Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, LASUBEB. This is to ensure that no child is left behind. And this edition is for lower primary classes. It's a revision week, children, and myself and my colleagues are fully prepared to take you through the previous lessons. On my side here, I have Auntie Tinu.
Hello, amazing pupils. I am Auntie Tinu, your mathematics teacher.
Beautiful. And on my right side here, I have Uncle Sheyi.
Hello, wonderful pupils. I am Uncle Sheyi, and I'll be taking you through general studies.
Okay, and myself, I am Auntie Lola, and I'll be taking you through English studies, which are called communication class. And in trial, we bring you the classroom in your home. Please relax, grab your book, and let's revise. It's been said that a well-educated mind asks more questions than answer. And so, because we're in our revision week, I have more questions for you. Would you rather say, Auntie Lola, I can't recall the questions, the answer to the questions or the topics you've taught me? Or you rather say, come on, Auntie Lola, let's do this together? Well, the only way you can find out is if you try. And so let's begin in our English studies class, which of course we call communication class. You're welcome, children, and I'm sure you are prepared with your books and your pen, of course. So let's revise, but first to the learning objective for today, that by the end of the lesson you should be able to recall concepts taught in previous lessons. And so I have few questions penned down for you. Let's revise to the first one. I dash be going to church on Sunday. For the options, I have will, go, come, give. Which one have you picked? I'm sure your answers will be coming out right now. And so, I will be going to church on Sunday. We treated this particularly when we talked about future tense. You're correct. And so will is used actually when we are talking about an action that is to occur in the future. Okay, to the next one. Dash is a punctuation mark that looks like a floating comma. Okay, inverted comma, apostrophe, colon, dash. And so the answer is apostrophe. Yes, apostrophe, I said, is the floating comma. Let me grab my pen here. Okay, and Let's draw out the apostrophe sign. Okay, it's an inverted comma, a floating comma just right on top. Okay, and so we move to the next question. Shorten the following words using apostrophe. It is. For the option, I have it, of course, without anything. I have it. The it apostrophe after the S. Okay, the third one, it's. The apostrophe after T, in between T and S, apostrophe. And the last one, it is, but the apostrophe in between it and is. My dear friend, I'm sure you, okay, just about now your answer is coming up. So what is the answer? What have you chosen to be your answer? It is C, it. It apostrophe and S, and of course we said it's used in shortening words, apostrophe. It makes it easier. Instead of two words, it comes together to form one word. Okay, we are also to do this two words. Let us, of course, we are to shorten the word using an apostrophe. So for the option, I have let's, no apostrophe, let's, apostrophe at the end of S, okay, let us, apostrophe in between let and us, and let's, apostrophe in between T and S. Okay, are you picking your answer? Okay, I'm sure it's coming out now. So let's get the answer to that. How do we shorten let us? Wow, the apostrophe is coming in between T and S, and so let's is the correct answer. I'm sure you got that correctly, and if not, don't worry, we still have more questions for you, and I'm sure you will get them as we move. Okay, for cannot, how do we use apostrophe to shorten to that two word? For the option, I have can't, can, nt, apostrophe coming in between nt, okay, can't, no apostrophe, can't. We have two n in that option, and can't, two n, but apostrophe coming in between n and t. Okay, which option do you think is correct for the shortening of cannot? Okay, you've chosen your answer. So right on my board here, aha, I have the first one, can't, apostrophe coming in between N and T. Is that what you choose? Beautiful, you deserve to be celebrated. Okay, let's move to the next one. Dash is used to describe actions that began in the past, okay, and often continues for a short period of time after the action started. What do we use to describe action that began in the past and often continues for a short period of time after the action started or after an event happened? Is it present tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future negative? What is your answer? Okay, I'm sure you have chosen your answer right about now. So let's find out if you're correct. Past continuous tense. Okay, from the word continuous, it means that event happened for a short period of time, of course, but of course it's in the past. It's in the past. That simple trick, action that began in the past, that is a trick to it, and often continues. That's just the little expo behind that question. Peradventure you meet it subsequently in other places. Okay, let's move. Pick out the past continuous tense in the following sentence. Okay, Hayo was cutting the grass when the lady arrived. That's a past continuous tense sentence, right? So Ayo was cutting the grass when the lady arrived. But what makes us know that the sentence is in past continuous. Okay, are you choosing your answer? Have you chosen your answer? Okay, so the answer is was cutting. We can't use arrived. Arrived is a past tense. We can't use cutting. Yeah, no, ing. Cutting doesn't solve that answer. Was cutting, as we rightly chose, of course, the past tense was, and cutting, the continuity for a short period of time. And of course, we can't choose the grass, because that hasn't solved the answer either. So that is that on that, and we move. Are we together? Okay. In this question also, you are to pick the past continuous tense. He had been working with the company for 5 years now. Okay, what makes us know that that tense, that sentence is in past continuous? For the option, I have had been working. Okay, working, had been. Yes. What is your answer? Auntie Lala, it is, yes, it is had been working. Had been working makes us know that that sentence, of course, is in past continuous tense. Is in past continuous tense. Okay. The next one. Dash are words that have opposite meaning. We have a word and its opposites, of course. What is that word? Antonyms, conjunction, synonyms, diction. What is your answer? Okay, I'm sure you've chosen your answer just right about now. And the answer is antonyms. Antonyms are words that have opposite meaning. Okay, opposite of a word. You can say good, bad. That is antonym. That is antonyms. Okay, let's move. What is the antonyms of the word add? The word add, A-D-D. What is the antonym? It means what is the opposite of add. Okay? For the option, plus. Second, sum. Subtract. Divide. What is your answer? Okay, the opposite of add is subtract. Okay, the opposite of add is subtract. Very simple, I know. Okay, what is the antonym of open? Open, O-P-E-N. What is the antonyms? Close, far, near, hide. Okay, I'm sure you have chosen your answer, and the antonym of open is what? Close. Open, if you do not open a door, you do what? You close it up. So the opposite of open, or the antonym of open, is close. Is close. Another one, yeah, dash are words with same meaning or almost same meaning. Now you recall while we were discussing this particular topic, well, you will still tell me the topic anyway. I said they are twins. They are twin words. They are twin words. Okay. So what is that word? Antonyms, homophones, synonyms, diction. What is that word with same meaning or almost same meaning? It is what, children? Did I hear you say synonyms? You are so correct. It is synonyms. I'm sure you're not giving up just right about now. It is synonyms. Very good. And so, for an example, what is a synonym of the word fast? Of course, what is another word for fast? Slow. Can it be slow? Hold. Can it be old? Quick. Can it be quick? Let's think. Run. Can you choose run? Okay, you've chosen your answer, and of course the answer is quick. Same word. If you don't use fast in a word, you can use quick in that sentence. Okay, and another one here. Dash are words that have same sound, okay, but with different spelling and different meaning. They have same sound but different spelling and different meaning. What is that word? Antonyms, homophones, synonyms, diction. Okay. Oh, you've chosen your answer. Okay, and your answer is homophones. You got that. Beautiful. I am so proud of you. Very proud of you. Homophones are words that have same sound, but in spelling, in meaning, they are totally different. Okay, so the homophones of allowed is what? Allowed. A-L-L O-W-E-D. The homophones of allowed is it allowed? Okay. How do I pronounce this? Allowed. I don't know if that's the answer anyway. Allow, okay. Allow. Wow. So what is your answer? Some are so easy to pronounce and some are not. So I don't know which one is the answer. But I'm sure we are going to know very shortly. Have you chosen your answer? Okay, so what is the homophones of allowed? Aha! Allow. A-L-O-U-D. Allowed. Same sound, you say? Yes, same sound. But of course, it's not same meaning. It's not same meaning. And even in spelling, it is different. Allowed means to permit. Of course, it's the past tense of allow, to permit something. And allowed is to speak loud or speak up, allowed. Or you're playing the music and it's so loud, allowed. Okay, so you see, it is different in meaning. Okay, that is how far we can go today in our revision class. Of course, in our English studies class, which we call communication class. I had fun and I'm sure you enjoyed every bit of the lesson. Till I come your way next time, remember Auntie Lola says, every day, today is another day. Learn something new. It is time for our mathematics class and it is with Auntie Tino. See you.
Welcome to today's mathematics class. When I say mathematics time, you say fun time. Mathematics time, fun time. And like always, today's mathematics class promises to be fun. Remember, in our last lesson, I told you we would continue in our revision. Yes, so today, Auntie Tinu will revise previous lessons with you. I am Auntie Tinu, and we would be revising our previous lessons. Are you ready? 'Cause I'm ready. Let's go. What is the objective of today's lesson? What do I expect you to be able to do at the end of this lesson? By the end of the lesson today, you should be able to recall concepts taught in previous lessons. Let's begin. Let's begin. Yes. Dash and dash are examples of 2D shapes. Remember, I taught you two-dimensional shapes. So, cone and cylinder, square and rectangle, cube and cuboid, or prism and pyramid. Which of these options is or are examples of 2D shapes? Let's see. Yes, square and rectangles. Square and rectangles. Remember, a square, an object that has all its four sides equal, and a rectangle, an object that has two sides equal. Are we together? Did you get the answer correctly with me? Square and rectangle? Yes, good job you. Objects with 4 sides are called dash. I remember when I taught you 2D shapes, I remember telling you that apart from the triangle, which is a 3-sided object, all other 4-sided objects are called a particular name that connects all the 4-sided shapes together. Is it quadrilateral, parallelogram, pentagon, or equilateral? Yes. What are 4-sided shapes objects called, or objects called? Yes, they are called quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is an object that has 4 sides. It can be a square. A square is a quadrilateral. It can be a rectangle. It can be a parallelogram. Yes, they are all quadrilaterals. Are we together? Yes, together we are. Let's go on. Dash and dash are examples of objects with cube shapes. Let's see. A slice of pizza and a tin of milk. A cube of sugar and a die. A ball and a cone ice cream. Yummy. Earth and funnel. Which of these objects are or have cube shape? Which of these objects have cube shapes? Let's see. Yes, a cube of sugar and a die. Yes, yes. Find the area of a rectangle with length 7 centimeter and breadth 2 centimeter using unit squares. I know you remember, right? Yes. Now let's count. These are the unit squares. So let's count how many unit squares this rectangle has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what is the area of this rectangle? That is 14 centimeter squares. Remember, this revision is we do it together. So make sure you move with me. We are working it out together. Be attentive. Pay 100% attention and go on with me. Find the area of a square with length 5 centimeter using unit square. Remember, a square is a shape that has all its sides equal. If this place is 5 centimeter, here is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. Now let's count the unit square together quickly. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So what is the area of a square with length 5 centimeter? That is 25 centimeter square. Find the perimeter of a rectangle with length 4 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. Remember, the formula to find perimeter is P is equals to 2L plus 2B. What is our L? Our L is 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. I hope you remember. Yes, 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 4 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter? That is 14. Good job you. Yes. How many lines of symmetry can be drawn on a square? Let's draw a square together. Yes. Wow, this square is looking so beautiful. Now let's draw a line of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many lines of symmetry were we able to place on this square? 4. Find the mean of these numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, to find mean, we add, count, and divide. Add, count, and divide. Let's add 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's divide. 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2. So what is the mean of this number? These numbers, the answer is 2. Did you get 2 with me? Yes, let's quickly give ourselves a round of applause. Good job, you. Find the mode of these numbers. Yes, when you want to find mode, you will do what? You arrange in ascending or descending order. Let's arrange. 0, 0, 0. Then we move to 1. 1, 1, 1. Let's go to 2. 2, 2, 2, and 2. So what is the mode of these numbers? Remember, mode is the number that occurs or appears the most. So which number appears the most? Which number is coming out much more than the others? Yes, 1, 2, 3. 0 appears 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1 appears 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 appears 4 times. So what is the mode? The mode is 2. Remember, 2 appeared 4 times. 4 is not the mode. 4 is the amount of times that 2 appeared. So 2 is our mode. Good job, you. Find the median of these numbers. Remember, median is the middle number. And to find median, you arrange in ascending or descending order. Let's arrange. We start from 0. Another 0. We start from 0. Another 0. 1. 1. 1. 2 and 2. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we have 7 numbers, it means we'll move 3 numbers to the left and 3 numbers to the right. Which number is standing alone? That is 1. And it's saying, look at me, I am the middle number, Mr. 1. Yes. Multiply 23 by 3 using the grid method. Remember, you draw your table. You expand 23. 20 and 3. You write the sign you are working with. Multiplication. Very important. Then you write your number 3, your multiplying number. 3 times 2 is 6. Just bring down your 0. Yes, and 3 times 3 is 9. You are not done yet. You add 60 and 9 together to give us 69. So 23 times 3, or 23 multiplied by 3, gives us 69. And 69 is our product. Multiply 25 by 12 using the grid method. This is 2 digits by 2 digits number. So we are going to divide our square. 25, 20 and 5. Then my multiplication sign. I will also expand 12. How do I expand 12? Yes, 10 and 2. 10 and 2. I expand 12 by writing 10 and 2. Now I start multiplying from the tens column. 1 times 2 is 2. I bring down the 0 and I bring here the 0 near 20. 1 times 5 is 5. and I transfer the 0 near 5. I'm not done yet. 2 times 2 is 4. I bring down Mr. 0. And 2 times 5 is 10. I'm not done yet. I have to add all the answers together to get my product. 200 plus 50 will give us 250. Yes, and 40 plus 10 gives us 50. 50 plus 250 will give us 300. So what is 25 multiplied by 12? That is 300. Good job, you. Good job, Auntie Tinu. Good job, everybody. Find the missing numbers. Yes, open sentences. We did it in our last lesson. Yes. Find the missing number. Dash plus 17 is equals to 25. Remember from our open sentence teachings. Yes. How do we get the answer? So simple. We say dash or box plus 17 is equals to 25. To get what number will be in the box, we leave Mr. Box alone, and 25 we take away 17. When we take away 17 from 25, we are left with 8. Yes, 25 take away 17 is 8. Yes, we are correct. So it means that I taught you that you can check. It means that 8 plus 17 is equals to 25. Yes, 8 plus 17 is equals to 25. Good job, you. Good job, me. Find the missing number. Open sentences. Yes. Box take away 14 is equals to 12. How do we get our box? Box is equals to 12 plus 14. Remember, Mr. 14 crosses the equal sign to become plus 14. So 12 plus 14 is equals to 26. Yes. So let's see. Yes. 12 plus 14 is 26. And our missing number is 26. And we can check. Yes, we can also check. 26 minus 14. 26 minus 14. 6 take away 4. 6 take away 4 is 2. 2 take away 1 is 1. And we have our answer back. Yes. Use the pictogram to answer the questions that follow. Tinu has this number of oranges. Lola has this number of oranges, and Sheyi has this number of oranges. Remember when I was teaching you pictogram, I told you that wherever you see key, it means that they are trying to tell you something. And in this question, this key means that anywhere you see an orange or the picture of an orange, you know it stands for 2 oranges. Now let's quickly see how many oranges does Tinu have, how many oranges does Lola have, and how many oranges does Sheyi have. Remember, 2. Remember, one picture of an orange stands for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Don't forget. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Don't forget. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now let's see the questions. Yes, how many oranges does Tinu have? We have counted 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Yippee! Tinu has 24 oranges. Wow! How many oranges does Sheyi have? Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, Sheyi has 8 oranges. And how many oranges does Sheyi, Tinu, and Lola have all together? What are we going to do? Remember to get how many oranges the 3 of them have all together. We add 24 plus 12 plus 8. 24 plus 12 is 36. And 36 plus 8 is 44. So Tinu, Sheyi, and Lola have 44 oranges all together. Yes, before I go, let us celebrate our active participation in today's revision question with the awesome cheer. You are awesome, awesome, totally. Yes, and you are BEST. I've put you to test. You are the best. You are the best. Yes, and on that note, I will be calling it a day on mathematics class with you. But don't go away, because Uncle Sheyi will soon be here for an amazing time in general studies class. From Auntie Tinu to you, it's bye-bye.
Hello, wonderful pupils. You are welcome to another exciting segment of the program, The Classroom in Your Home. I'm your teacher, Uncle Sheyi. Remember, in our last class, we had a revision on our previous lesson. So we'll continue with that today. Alright? So pick your pen, pick your book, and number your work from 1 to 20. Okay? By the end of the lesson, you should be able to recall concepts taught in previous lessons. Okay? So number your book from 1 to 20. So we'll start with our revision. I will ask you questions. You write the answer and I will tell you if you are correct or wrong. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. That soil is harsh and rough in texture. So what soil is harsh and rough in texture? Is it sandy soil? Is it clay soil? Is it loamy soil or silt? Have you written your answer? Okay. Clay. No. Sandy soil is harsh and rough in texture. So sandy soil is correct. If you chose clay, you are wrong. Alright? Sandy soil is harsh and rough in texture. Number 2. Drugs can be in form of the following, except, I remember when I taught you drugs, I told you drugs can come in different forms. So which one of the following is not a form in which a drug can come? Caplet, inhaler, injection, yes. Drugs can be in form of the following except, surely it's yes. Drugs cannot come in form of yes. Alright? So our next question. You can take drugs in form of dash through the mouth. You can take drugs in form of dash through the mouth. Is it tablets, injection, ointment, none of the above? Which drug can we take through the mouth among these forms of drugs? Have you written your answer? Alright. Tablets. I remember I told you that you can take tablets or tablets through the mouth. They are called oral drugs. While injection can be taken through the buttocks or through your hand, your arm. Alright, ointment, you rub ointment on your body. Okay? Alright, let's move on to the next question. Dash is an invisible mixture of gases that surrounds the earth. Dash is an invisible mixture of gases that surrounds the earth. Water, chemicals, air, breeze. Have you written down your answer? You chose chemicals or water or breeze. If you chose any of those, you are wrong. Correct answer is air. Air is an invisible mixture of gases that surrounds the earth. Now, to our next question, a moving air is called dash. A moving air is called dash. Balloon, oxygen, storm, wind. This is very simple. The moving air is called wind. Wind. Alright? Wind. We move. The following drugs or substances can be abused except dash. The following drugs or substance can be abused except dash alcohol, water, tobacco, caffeine. So which one of these is not a drug or substance that can be abused? Please write down your answer quickly. Have you done that? Alright, what's your answer? Our answer is water. Water. Water is not a drug or a substance that can be abused. Alright?
Lagos State was created in which year? I remember I told you the year Lagos State was created. So Lagos State was created in which year? Is it January 1st, 1960? Is it October 1st, 1960? October 1st, 1963? Or May 27th, 1967? Please write down your answer very fast. Alright? Yeah, the correct answer is May 27th, 1967. Okay? So the next question. These objects can be filled with air except dash. So which of these objects cannot be filled with air? Is it balloon, bucket, tire, football? Put down your answer. Okay, the correct answer should be bucket. Yes, bucket. We cannot fill our bucket with air. So on to the next question. Dash is the making of our environment dirty. Dash is the making of our environment dirty. Erosion, pollination, irrigation, pollution. Put down your answer quickly. Dash is the making of our environment dirty. Pollution. Pollution is the making of our environment dirty. To the next question. The two major rivers in Nigeria are dash and dash. The two major rivers in Nigeria are, is it Barbich and Osun River? Is it River Osun and River Ogun? Is it River Niger and River Benue? Or River Niger and Barbich? Put down your answer quickly. And I'm sure you will get this one correctly because the correct answer is River Niger and River Benue. Alright, good job you. On to the next question. In Portuguese language, Lagos means dash. In Portuguese language, Lagos means dash. Port, lake, river, dam. Port, lake, river, dam. Put down your answer quickly. Okay, and Lagos means lake in Portuguese language. On to the next question. Dash soil is a mixture of clay, silt, and sand. Dash soil is a mixture of clay, silt, and sand. Black soil, silt soil, red soil, loamy soil. Okay? Loamy. Loamy is a mixture of clay, silt, and sand. On to the next question. Dash is the best soil for molding. You know, you can mold pots, to mold sculptures and all that. So which soil is the best soil for molding? Is it clay? Is it sandy? Is it loamy? Is it silt? The best soil for molding is clay. Clay soil. Clay soil is best for molding. On to the next question. Dash is not an airborne disease. Dash is not an airborne disease. Diseases that we can catch through the air, you know. So which amongst this option is not an airborne disease? Is it measles, influenza, malaria, or chicken pox? Put down your answer now. So which one is not an airborne disease? Yes, malaria. Malaria is not an airborne disease. You are correct. Well done. On to the next one. Who is on the 200 naira note? Who is on the 200 naira note? Is it Chief MKO Abiola, the June 12 hero? Or is it Chief Obafemi Awolowo? Or is it Ahmadu Bello? Or Muhammad Adamu? Muhammad Adamu? Can you write down your answer quickly? Let's do that very fast, okay? All right, the correct answer is Ahmadu Bello, Sir Ahmadu Bello, okay? Yes, you are correct. Let's move on. Who is the journalist that became a governor in Lagos State? Do you remember I taught you that? Yes, a journalist turned governor. Is it Bola Ahmed Tinubu? Is it Chief Lateef Jakande? Is it Akinwumi Ambode? Or is it Babatunde Raji Fashola? Who amongst them is a journalist that turned or that became a governor? Yes, you are correct. Chief Lateef Jakande. Yes, Chief Lateef Jakande. He built lots of roads and housing estates. Yes, correct. Let's move on. We have dash sense organs in the body. We have dash sense organs in the body. How many? Is it 5? Is it 4? Is it 6? Or 2? How many do we have? We have 5 sense organs in the body. Can you name them? Yes, your sight, sense of seeing. Yes, your tongue, sense of tasting. Yes, your skin, sense for feeling. All right, well done. Let's move on because of time. Dash is the sense for tasting. I just mentioned that. Dash is the sense for tasting. Is it skin? Is it eyes? Is it nose or tongue? Dash is the sense for tasting. Of course, you taste with your tongue. Tongue is the sense for tasting. Dash is the inability to smell. Remember, I taught you that there are some people with this sickness. They can't perceive any aroma. They can't perceive anything. It is a sickness. So what is the sickness called? What is the inability to smell called? Is it insomnia? Is it anosmia? Is it leukemia or kwashiorkor? Write down your answer quickly. All right, the correct answer is anosmia. Anosmia is the inability to smell. All right, to the next question. There are dash number of local government areas in Nigeria. There are dash number of local government areas in Nigeria. Is it 774? Is it 776? Is it 775? Or is it 700? So we have how many LGAs in Nigeria? The correct answer is 774. Correct. All right. Wow. We are done for today. Interesting. Did you enjoy the class? Yes, I had a great time revising those lessons with you, and I'm sure you can recall all what we have done. Good job, you. Until next time that I will be meeting with you again, Uncle Sheyi says, be good. Bye-bye.
Dear pupils, parents, and guardians, let me start by thanking you for being a part of all our remote learning platforms, particularly our television program, The Classroom in Your Home. Each feedback has been awesome. Good job, you. Our teachers have been working assiduously to break the learning laws during this critical period. Therefore, I am pleased to inform you that the Classroom in Your Home has been extended to accommodate the lower primary classes and a dedicated lesson to cater for our special needs pupils in line with our mandate of providing an all-inclusive and quality basic education in our dear state. Please encourage your wards to tune in and take every advantage of this laudable program. Also remember, this pandemic is not over. Let us continue to abide by all health and safety guidelines as stipulated by the government. At LASUBEB, we are determined to leave no child behind in our quest to improve the standard of basic education in our state. Thank you.
Yes, it's been an amazing time with you pupils, and you will agree with me that you've had the best time on this program for over 12 weeks. Yes, it's been educative and at the same time fun-packed. Uncle Sheyi, what do you feel?
Yeah, it's been a fantastic time hanging out with the most brilliant set of pupils. In fact, they've been awesome. their feedbacks, they submit their assignments and homework on time, and that is commendable. I look forward to having more fun with them.
Yes, we also got feedback that some pupils were unable to watch the program while it's being heard, well, due to power outage.
Okay.
But don't worry. We have a Facebook page where you can watch it live the same time it is being heard. That is if you have access to your parent's phone, you have a laptop, or you have your personal phone. You can watch on Lagos Subeb Facebook page, same time it's being heard.
Yes, we know that no homework was given today. It's because it's our revision week. But you can still send in your comments and questions. Peradventure, you have questions on the revision topics that was being taught today. Yes, you can send in your question and comments to the number 081-5086-5663. Remember, SMS and WhatsApp messages only. Do not call. Do you love yourself? I'm sure you do. If you love yourself and you love your family and friends, you must stay safe for them and for you especially. To stay safe for everyone you love,
Wash your hands regularly.
Practice social distancing.
eat lots of fruits, do your homework, rest well, and keep safe. Remember, at Last Subeb,
We leave no child behind.